Now let's draw this top view of impeller, and for that I will start from the center. And you can see I will start from here, and if you notice you can see the radius of this circle is 8. So let's draw a circle of radius 8. Press enter. Then you can see this boundary having a radius of unit 20. So let's draw that. And after that you see we have this line. You can see we have this arc which is touching this point and this point. So for that what I will do is I will draw a line. I will draw an arc, and then I will make sure that this object snap is turned off, and I will just simply draw an arc like this, just like this, and make sure that this arc is not touching this circle. Now after that what I will do is I will go to parametric tab, then just simply go to parametric tab, and I want to know the radius of that, and after that I would like to enter the radius and change it. So you can see the radius of this one is 20. So let's simply go to dimensional, and then we have this radius. So simply click on that and then click on this one, and then just simply click here. Now you can see the radius of this one is 19.64, and we want a radius of 20. So for that we just simply need to double click here, then make it 20, and then press enter. Now you can see that this one is tangent to that, and we have to first of all extend that. So let's use the extend tool to extend this just like this, and we don't need this part as of now. So you can just simply press and hold shift, and you can delete it from here. Now we don't need this constraint as well, so let me press escape, delete, click on this manage, and then click on delete constraint. Simply go and select this constraint, and after that press enter. Now what I will do is I will create offset of 2 unit, because if you see, you will see that this inner radius of this blade is 18. So let's create offset of 2 unit, press enter, and then click here. Now I will extend this one as well. So for that again I will use the extend command, press enter, and then click here. Now I need to trim this part which I don't require anymore, so I can just simply press and hold shift. I can just simply delete it from here. Now I don't need this one as well, I can delete it. I don't need this one, I can delete it from here. Now after that I will press escape. Now you can see we have to apply a fillet radius of 0.6. So let's apply the fillet radius. Simply type the radius, which is 0.6, press enter. Now simply click here and then here, and then press enter to repeat the command, then click here and then here. So we have applied the fillet radius as well. Now what I will do next is I will create a circle. So you can see we have these two circles of radius 2.5 and radius 5. So let's draw a circle, and you can see that this one is not joined. So first of all let's simply join these. Type J, select this, type J, and then press enter. Now let's draw a circle. So simply take your mouse cursor to any of these lines just like this, and you can see that you're not getting the line here because of the fact that this object snap is turned off. So simply turn on this object snap. Now if you draw the circle, you can see that you're going to get this point. So simply click on this point here, and let's draw a circle of dia 2.5, press enter. Now enter to repeat the command, and then we have a circle of radius 5, then enter. Now again we have a bigger circle of these two radius, which is of 22 units and 24 units. Now we are done with these circles. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to select this blade, And then after that, I'm gonna just simply create a polar array. So simply tap AR and press enter. Now click on this polar and click on this circle. You can see the items is 6, so let's change this to 8 and then press tab. Now we have 8 numbers of that. Let's simply close the array, and this is the top view of impeller.